Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GREENOAK brand heated blanket and it's giving you an error code and you're wondering what to do with it and how to get rid of the error code. So almost always with these heated blankets, these error codes are as a result of not enough electricity to properly heat. The blanket is getting enough electricity to obviously show the error, but not to properly heat. So what you want to do is first of all, you want to turn it off and unplug it, and then you want to just check all the connections going in and out of the controller, in and out of the blanket, and make sure that everything nothing looks damaged or frayed or anything like that. And then if you were using an extension cord or a power strip or anything like that, don't plug it into that. Plug it in directly to the wall. Make sure you get a nice snug plug, and then see if turn it back on and see if that clears it out. Because a lot of times an extension cord is not heavy duty enough to carry the electricity that these blankets need, and you'll end up getting one of these errors. And if that's the case, then you'll know you can't use that extension cord. You need to plug it directly into the wall or get a more heavy duty extension cord. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.